Welcome. Today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 2021, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and then scroll down to the sounds and vibration. Now just as can you see here, we got the ringtone volume panel, and just to change the ringtone volume, swipe with your finger here to the left or to the right side. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Just you get here on the right side of your device the two volume buttons, and just to adjust your ringtone volume you can press your up or down volume button, and by this way you can make that. So that's how it looks, and if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.